कहते हैं ना कि be like this, be like that. When I met her, it was such a beautiful memory. She's such a down to earth person. And in
Wow.
Mumbai, every bridge, every corner, every house, every hoarding, it was my face.
बिग बॉस के घर में हमारे खिलाड़ी बहुत सारी ऐसी मेमोरीज बनाने वाले हैं जिनको वो बिग बॉस के घर से बाहर आकर हमेशा के लिए मिस करेंगे। और इसी नोट पे आज मेरे साथ जुड़ने वाली है डोनल बिश, जिनको आप लोग देख रहे हैं बिग बॉस के घर के अंदर, और वो जीने वाली है थ्रोबैक थर्सडेज का ये यादों वाला सफर सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेली चक्कर पे मेरे यानी विशाखा पंडित के साथ। तो आइए चलिए करते हैं शुरुआत आज के टीवीटी के सेगमेंट। द फर्स्ट वन, बचपन की एक मेमोरी डोनल जो आपकी सबसे फेवरेट है।
बचपन की मेमोरी जो मेरी सबसे फेवरेट है, आई थिंक मुझे अलवर में मैं जब रहती थी तो यू नो वी वर इन अ सोसाइटी एंड सब बच्चे लोग सब खेलते कूदते थे फुल सोसाइटी के, एंड सबका घर मतलब बराबर ही था, एक दूसरे का घर ही था वो। सो दैट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग, बचपन की मेमोरी वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
ओके, अ मेमोरी व्हेन यू गॉट टू मीट योर फेवरेट एक्टर।
Preeti Zinta.
And what was the memory behind it?
I was in media only, and I was into guest coordination that time. You know, we don't know, like that time I wanted to become an actor, but I was not. I was into guest coordination that time, so I was little that ki how she will be, and some people say that you know, कहते हैं ना कि be like this, be like that. You don't know. So when I met her, it was such a beautiful memory. She's such a down to earth person, and I was like, okay, that she's so nice, you know. And I gave her some I think some magazine for the picture and all. So she was really nice. Got pictures clicked. Yeah.
That memory when you saw yourself on a hoarding, like, you know, you saw your poster, your banner on hoarding.
It was huge. I came to Mumbai. I was doing my first show, Kalash, and I did some print shoot for MTNL. So it was like all over Mumbai. It was, I think, all over India.
Wow.
And in Mumbai, every bridge, every corner, every house, every hoarding, it was my face. It was like that.
Wow.
I became like
jahan gardan gumaye wahan Donald.
Everybody is messaging me, Donald, this is you, Donald, this is you. It was that huge. And I wanted my parents also to come that day and that time. It was like for a month or so. It was like that long thing. It was
okay. A memory when you had to encounter like a very creepy fan moment.
Creepy fan moment.
Yeah.
There are people on set, they wanna, you know, come and meet, and they find, you know, a way through some phone number that okay, I wanna meet Donald ma'am, and you know, those kind of things. तो दिन से लेके रात तक बैठे रहते हैं, and those kind of things कि नहीं हम ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे, मिलना ही है. So all those things.
Okay, the last two, a memory when you actually felt that yes, you have reached a stage in life when people know you.
Obviously my first show Ek Deewana Tha. Those posters were also everywhere, like a king size, full mall size posters were there. So yeah, everybody knew me after that show, and it's lovely being doing what I always wanted to do, and journey is still more ahead.
Yes. Okay, the last one, a memory when you actually either got a love letter, or maybe you gave a love letter, or maybe, you know, somebody proposed.
It keeps happening. I have never done, but yeah, love letters and all, तो मतलब अब तो सालों से लोग लिखते हैं.
But a memory to it, any memory to it for the fans.
There are so many. In my college, you know, people used to write poems and all and recite in front of like 300 people. So, or somebody giving love letter to the bakery I used to go to near to my home. So those kind of things. And then the bakery person came to my home. आपके लिए आया है. I was like, oh my god.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching today's segment of TPT with me विशाखा पांडे, जहां आज Throwback Thursdays के जरिए डोनाल्ड बिस्ट कर रही थी रिलीव कुछ ज्यादा ही खूबसूरत मेमोरीज अपने सफर की। I really hope that you guys are loving Donald's journey in Big Boss का ये अनोखा घर, and if yes, don't forget to tell us in the comment sections below. And until then, this is me Vishakha Pandit signing off for now. You too stay tuned to Telly Chocker for all the more updates about the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.